In yesterday's video, I mentioned that a contractor and his crew were coming out tomorrow, which would be today, to clear the property border behind our house where all the woods are so that we could get some fencing installed back there. The contractor called me yesterday evening and confirmed our appointment for today, and then I waited all day and he was no call, no show. Perhaps it's just as well, because for most of the day it was raining pretty hard and it probably would have caused some damage or some problems for my camera. And tomorrow's supposed to be shearing day on my friend Rob's farm, Amiable Acres. His wife Molly is a professional sheep shearer and they were going to do their flock tomorrow, but their wool is so wet that they had to cancel shearing day, so that's going to be postponed until next week. Little buddy and I were supposed to attend shearing day and help out and learn more about shearing. When I told little buddy that it got postponed, he was pretty disappointed because he was really looking forward to playing with Rob's children. And of course, I was going to be filming the event. But anyway, I did not get the content I was hoping to deliver to you guys today, and because of the rain, I wasn't really able to get a whole lot else. About an hour ago, the rain lightened up to a gentle drizzle, so I was able to get outside and do a little bit filming of the chickens, and really that's all I have for you today. So I leave you now with scenes from a rainy Idaho homestead.